was fun.
Yeah.
I liked it. Oh no. Oh man.
Yeah, you made it. She gone. We got a good 6 runs in. I have to call it a day. That is a wrap. Wish it didn't have to go down like this. It is what it is. Things happen. I had no idea how many miles the motor had on it. We were only running 7 pounds. It's all bad. Let's see what we got, Master Tech.
No, that's not a rod.
What do you think?
It's not a rod.
What do you think it is?
It's not a rod.
I haven't said it to 40 in a minute.
What's that?
I haven't said it to 40 in a minute.
We recording? You don't think it's a rod? Wishful thinking? Look at this surge. What do I think happened? We came up with a combination of different things that went wrong. And this is just a theory. It looks like it lost oil viscosity in some form because of the way how hot it looked like it got. A couple of different things that might be able to save you from dealing with this same exact thing. So it was 115, maybe 120 degrees outside. On top of that, I don't have an oil cooler. I didn't have an oil pressure gauge hooked up. I didn't have an oil temperature gauge hooked up. And I also ran 5W30 oil because that's all I had in the garage. I want to run a 1040, 1030 or something, but I'm also going to put an oil cooler on it. And I got an oil pressure and oil temperature gauge as well. I don't know how far of a rebuild it's gonna be. The crank looks like it's fine. That's why I showed that last video right there. The crank doesn't look like it got chewed up. Is maybe run an oil cooler, maybe run an oil temperature gauge if you're running in these desert climates, and definitely run a thicker oil. Thank you for watching the video. If you could like the video, it helps out a ton. If you could subscribe, that'd be great. We got more content incoming. If you see the first video I posted, I said something about doing my friend Cody's S13 as well. I put a video together of some of the progress that I've made on his car. And I hope everybody has a great day, and we'll see you for the next one.